Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. My name is Alex. As you guys can see, I have quite a large Boxing Day haul. Obviously with COVID, it is not the same experience. It's not going to be the same type of video that I usually do where I wake up really early, I bring you guys along with me to the mall, and then I come home and show you everything I bought. This honestly was all bought a couple days ago, so it all slowly started to come in since the sales were happening early, just like I did for Black Friday. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys everything that I got for Boxing Day. Also, if you haven't checked out my last video of what I got for Christmas, definitely go check it out. It'll be linked up top over here, so go check that out. Check out everything that I got for Christmas. But yeah, without further ado, let's get into this haul. First, two things that were not on sale, but I saw them on the website and I just had to pick up these two colors. It is Lululemon Align pants. Are you shocked? If you know me, you are not shocked. I have these in like every single color. First one is this really cute plum color. I have many videos on Lululemon's, Aligns, and all of that, so if you want to see my review and trying them on, I have a bunch of different videos that you can go check. I have a playlist of Lululemon. This is a size 2 and I get it in the 25 length. Also picked them up in this really cute light pink color, but unfortunately, like the white ones, they are double lined. They fit really weird. They're really tight. I do not like them at all. I feel the same way about these. I do not like them at all. It is literally like they grabbed two Lululemon pants, like two of the single ones, and just stuck them together, making it a thicker material, obviously, so it wouldn't be see-through because of how thin the color is, but not a fan of this one whatsoever. Like, the color is beautiful, but the doubling, and it's not the same, so I'm gonna pass on these. I will be returning them. Next up, look how cute this is. We have a Kate Spade phone case. I got this off of Best Buy. I love it. It's just a clear case with like cream flowers, and then it has little sparkles over there. I have the Samsung S20 Ultra. Absolutely love this phone. It is such a good phone, and I got it in the black color. I just love that. This was around like $30. Next, had to pick up some stuff from ColourPop, which I'm excited. I haven't ordered from ColourPop in a while, but I needed some restocks. I purchased this around Black Friday. It took some time to get here. I love the box, first of all. The box is beautiful. So it took some time to get here. I just needed restocks on some of my favorite things, and then also wanted to try new things, which this is what it looks like inside. I needed to restock on these, which is why I made the purchase. This is the translucent setting powder. Absolutely love these. These are a great dupe for the Laura Mercier setting powder. Phenomenal deal and price, and I wear it all the time. It has been my go-to, so I just picked up 3 of them actually. Shipping and duties and everything, now that they charge it on the ColourPop site, your girl's not a big fan of that. They used to not charge duties before, and sometimes it would have free international shipping. This year they didn't have that, so I just decided to get 3 of them. That way I wouldn't have to order as frequently. Next, I heard amazing things about this pretty fresh hyaluronic tinted moisturizer. Did not know what shade I was. I got medium 10N. Comes with a pump. Let's see if this is my shade. Ooh. It's a thin consistency. Oh, I think I chose the wrong shade. This is the one with the tinted moisturizer. It's actually pretty hydrating, and it gives a little bit of a glow. This one has nothing on it. This one has the hyaluronic tinted moisturizer. Also picked up some scrunchies. I love scrunchies. And these ones had like, I think these are the velour scrunchies. Oh, I love that. So it's just that like a velour tracksuit material. Actually love this. Your girl loves a good scrunchies. I have so many silk scrunchies, so I wanted to get the velour fabric ones. Absolutely love them. Good quality, super stretchy, super big. Also just picked up this eyebrow brush because I needed a new one, and it was like super inexpensive. What is this? Brow Boss Gel. Oh, I forgot I even got this. This is just an eyebrow gel. This, I'm super excited for this. This is the Luxe of the Party Luxe Lip Volt. Look how pretty the packaging is for this. This was one of the things that was on sale actually, so I was super excited, and that's kind of why I also placed the order. These are so cute. So it comes with 4 different lippies. This is the Dewdrop. You got Tricky, Candy Kiss, Room Service, and it's a Banger. Look at these colors. It has a big applicator. I like it. It's not sticky. I like the big applicator, and the packaging is super cute. Moving on to the next store, which is Best Buy. Best Buy, literally, I was going to Best Buy 3-4 days in a row. I would order something online, and then I go in, I check it on my phone, and they bring it out to the car. And this was literally happening, like, no joke, 4 days in a row, because I kept finding things that I wanted, and I kept doing the same thing back and forth. First up, we have a bunch of Philips lights, which these are for my boyfriend, but I decided to include them because they are all on sale right now for a really good price. So if you guys are looking for any lights that I'm about to show you guys, definitely check out Best Buy because they are on sale for Boxing Day. First ones are these Philips Hue. They're like the strip lights that people put in their room. You can change them with colors and everything, and he got all Philips because if you get all Philips and then you buy the bridge, they can all kind of like communicate with each other and you can change the color at the same time. He also got the Philips Go portable light, which this one's really pretty. I actually really like this one. And this one you can either plug it in, charge it for a little bit, and then if you take it out of the plug, it'll still work too. So it'll have some charge, so that's nice. You don't have all the cables running around. And then he picked up 2 of these play bars, which these are really cool too. You can see how they look like that. So he got all these because he is going to start streaming gaming. If you guys have like a boyfriend that likes watching gaming, or if you are a guy watching this, definitely go check out my boyfriend's channel. It'll be linked in the description, so you can go check out his gameplay. Always there supporting him. So yeah, we can chat in the comments if you want to do that, but definitely check him out. And because he got all those lights and I saw his setup, it looks so good, I had to get my own pair of lights because I wanted them. I didn't get the Philips ones just because I'm not going to have multiple lights needing to communicate with each other. And this one is a strip where you can actually make your own design. So you can bend it and make it however you want. It's just a long strip like this. It is color changing as well. These are the Monster Smart Illuminance Neon 16.4 feet indoor/outdoor multicolored LED strips. I really like these because they're not the ones with the dots. So in the background when I set them up, I think I'm gonna have it like running along the bottom just a little bit over here, or I might make like a squiggly design or something in the back. And that's why I love these, because you can do whatever with these and they're not dotted, so you'll just see like a straight line. You won't see like the little dots and everything. So I liked this one a lot more. My boyfriend was a fan of this one also, but because he wanted them all to communicate, they didn't have one like this, so he had to go with like the dotted one, whereas this is just the line of light. So I'm super excited for that. If you guys have any ideas what I should do, what do you guys think I should do, let me know. But yeah, I'm either thinking of just like making squiggles or something like that cute, or just straight across. I have no idea yet, but I'm super excited. I'm gonna plug these in so I can show you. Obviously right now it's blinking, so I have to fix the settings and everything, but just so you guys have an idea, I'm not gonna have it blinking obviously, but yeah, you can change it different colors. I haven't installed the app just yet, so I can't really figure this out, but once I set it up, it's gonna be amazing. So yeah, that's what that looks like. And then it comes with things where you can hang it on the wall, so I'm super excited to like play around with that and see what I come up with. I just felt like this might be a little bit plain. I don't know, do you guys like the minimalistic, or are you guys like down to see like a pop of color? I don't know, we'll see what I come up with and what I like. And then lastly, this was one of my dad's Christmas gifts, and it's just a laptop. Best Buy has a lot of good deals right now on laptops, so obviously they had it early for Boxing Day, which usually never happens. Their Boxing Day sales are obviously the day after Christmas and then last a little bit longer, but for whatever reason this year they actually did it before Christmas, and my dad wanted a laptop, so I just found him this Lenovo laptop. He hasn't opened it yet, so yeah, I just stole the box so I could show you guys, but I'm gonna give it back to him now so he can open it, because like I said, it was his Christmas gift. Yeah, if you want laptops, obviously go check check out Best Buy. They have good deals. Lights as well, they have a lot of things. ColourPop is having sales right now. Lululemon is also having sales, so if you want to check that out, go ahead. But their sales are actually pretty decent. Like their Black Friday sale was pretty decent, but this time around I just picked up 2 extra pairs of leggings because honestly your girl doesn't go to the gym. I haven't gone to the gym in such a long time. I have not worked out, and now obviously all of Ontario is back on lockdown, so we are in a province-wide lockdown at this point, so I'm not gonna go to the gym anytime soon, so I'm not really looking into buying anything from Lulu. But yeah, that is everything for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know it's a little bit different than what I normally post, but this Boxing Day honestly was more electronics than anything, a couple makeup things here and there, but yeah, that was it. Don't forget to check out my other videos if you are new. I have a bunch of other great content from different companies. I always do hauls on everything, and subscribe if you are not already subscribed because we're almost at 10,000 subscribers. We're like 600 subscribers away from 10,000 subscribers, which is crazy. So if you are not subscribed, definitely go hit that subscribe button, give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!